Hello folks, Brett Meads, Head of Training for SuperCool. I've had a lot of inquiries about our Burgaflex BURGACLIP fitting kits. These are extremely popular. Just to give you a little bit of background, we supply all of our Burgaflex and BURGACLIP range of products individually if you want to buy them. If you want to buy some hose, if you want to buy an individual fitting, if you want to buy a spare crimping tool, you can buy all of these individually. But there's some cost savings to be had in our starter introductory kits. And traditionally, we've had 3 available for you. I won't go through all the details in this video because what I want to do is introduce the newest addition to the range. But just to give you a little bit of context, these 3 kits, our relationship with Milwaukee means that we put these in a sturdy Milwaukee pack-out case, so they're stackable, and they keep the dust and grime out and keep everything together, very robust to go into your service vehicle if you're away from the workshop. The 3 kits, the BF-1FK is our foundation kit, includes a range of the most common fittings that you would need, including the clips and cages to go with those fittings, crimping pliers, nylog assembly lube, basically everything you would need to make a standard type hose other than for the hose. The second in our traditional range of fitting kits is the BF-1AK, which is our add-on kit, and you wouldn't buy the AK kit by itself. It's designed to partner with the FK kit to expand the reach of that kit. We go up to some number 12 fittings, we have some male insert fittings, some fittings with access ports, etc. And we'll add a link at the bottom of this so that you can have a look at what's in these fitting kits. The third fitting kit that we've had on offer, and one of the most popular, is the BF-1RK, which is our OE hose repair kit. And rather than have traditional fittings, it has all of our braze-on machine billet tail profile tails. This enables you to repair just about any vehicle-specific OE hose that comes into your workshop, no matter what brand or what badge is on the vehicle. This is an extremely popular kit. Comes with a range of tails, the clips and cages to go with the tails. It comes with a bottle of nylog, comes with crimping pliers, and the kit also includes a pack of our exclusive Burgabraze brazing rods. Now, at the end of 2023, released early 24, we introduced our 4th kit. This kit is the BF-1EK kit. This is our emergency kit. Like its big brothers, it comes in a Milwaukee pack-out case, but this is the slimline case. Still keys together with the others. And this kit is not something you're likely to use every day, but you probably will use it a couple of times a month, and it will save the day when you do use it. I just want to point out a few of the benefits of this kit because of what we've put in here. Firstly, our traditional braze-on tails, in both steel and aluminium, they're what I refer to as straight tails. And by straight, I don't mean the direction. I mean the sizing. So that's a number 10 tail, meaning it takes a number 10 pipe to a number 10 hose. Similarly, that's a number 6 tail that would take a number 6 pipe to a number 6 hose. But sometimes, especially with European vehicles, you have a swaged pipe assembly mated to a hose and they're different sizes. So the emergency kit has our complete range of step up and step down tails. So here we have a tail, braze-on aluminium, that goes from a number 8 pipe to a number 10 hose. And one of the most popular, especially on European suction lines, is this fellow that will take you from a number 12 pipe to a number 10 suction hose. So here we've got 6, 8, 10 and 12 step up, 6, 8, 10 and 12 step downs. So this kit combined with the BF-1RK gives you not only the range of all of the straight braze-on tails, but it gives you the step up and step down size configurations as well. And of course, like our other kits, the EK kit comes with all of the clip and cages needed to go with that set. Now, to make this really save the day, there's a few other things we've packed in here for you. It's all too common to have a torn thread on a pipe. So we've given you a variety of braze-on aluminium O-ring fittings. Not only in standard profile, as you can see here, but also in captive O-ring profile. That means that if you've had a torn thread on a pipe, you can cut the torn thread or the damaged off, and you can insert using your burger braze. You can braze that on both standard profile and captive profile. And before the day is out, you'll have that AC system repaired, gassed and working. So we've got our step up and step down fittings. We've got a range of weld-on standard profile O-ring and captive profile O-ring fittings. And the last thing I wanted to point out here is that we have included a range of braze-in access ports, 134A high side, low side, and a male pressure switch or quarter flare old R12 style port. So you might be doing some custom hose work that requires port access that you don't have. Perhaps there's been an engine swap. Maybe you've had someone that's got too vigorous with a fitting and they've stripped the thread, or it might be cracked and leaking and you can't fix that, being a factory pipe. Well, you can with these. Easy to braze in using burger braze. And we've even included the exact profile drill bit to give you the right size to mount these, so you don't have to go looking for the one that's broken and missing or blunt. We've also included a range of valve cores to go in these access ports, a range of dust caps to go on them, and of course the other thing that will be missing because somebody borrowed it and didn't give it back, we've included a valve core tool, double-ended for both sizes. So this is available through Napa Auto Parts exclusively, released January 2024, the BF-1 EK emergency kit in the BURGACLIP range, designed to work in companion with the existing kits to make just about every job fixable same day. Thank you.